Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can download an Instagram video completely for free. No need to go to any website and watch ads. You just need to follow two steps. Step 1, grab the link of Instagram video you want to download. Let's say I want to download this video. So I will going to click on the share button. Let's try again. Click on copy link. Now open the folder where you want to download this video. For me, I want to download this video inside Instagram folder. So I'm going to open this folder inside terminal. Step 2. Now enter yt-dlp and this one. To use yt-dlp must install on your system. Now video is downloaded completely, so we can check it out here. Boom. You can download any Instagram video following just two steps. First, grab the link, and second, use yt-dlp inside your terminal. And if you want to know more about yt-dlp, how to install it, I have created a blog for you. Just head over to my website. You can search for devkantkumar.com, and I have created a comprehensive blog for you. Here you go, yt-dlp guide. Not only from the Instagram, you can download videos from 1800 plus platform, and this blog cover every aspect of yt-dlp you need to know, from what is yt-dlp to how to install yt-dlp on various systems for the Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and the additional tool required for the audio video conversion. How you can you can see the complete list of sites which allow to download videos like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Twitch, Rumble, and social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. You can head over to this blog and check out the complete list. Along with, we have how you can download audio extraction, video quality selection, playlist download, custom output folder, and all the advanced quality and format selection. So this blog is very comprehensive, covering every aspect of yt-dlp. You can see authentication and cookies management. Like in case of YouTube videos which are not available for free, and you need to join the channel program to download the videos, we need to use the cookies. That's why I have added a section for the cookies and authentication management. You can see how you can export your cookies and download any videos, member videos, especially the term is member videos, a sponsored blog integration. You can see filter by date, channel download. You can download all videos from a channel. That's going to be very impressive. If you want to download the complete videos on a channel, you can even download the entire playlist. So I will recommend go and check out this blog, and let me know in the comment if you have any query about yt-dlp, and if you want me to create videos on other platform, like how you can download YouTube videos from using yt-dlp, I can create those videos too. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.